Welcome to Health Fits. In today's video we talk about how to make your liver younger by consuming this amazing fruit. Did you know that the human liver is the body's largest solid organ? It also performs over 500 different activities, such as neutralizing toxins, combating pathogens, and generating proteins and hormones. You should also be aware that the human liver has the ability to recover after being injured. Since the liver is the only organ in the human body capable of doing so, you should be aware that it is the first line of protection against poisons and acting as a barrier to prevent poisonous compounds found in foods from entering your bloodstream. You must take excellent care of your liver. Why, you may ask? Since you're vulnerable to toxic overload, your liver needs to work properly. There are many diseases that can affect the liver, including hepatitis A, B, and C, and liver cirrhosis. Does the word tamarind ring any bell? For decades, this incredible fruit has been used in traditional African and Asian healing techniques. This superfood is perfect for the cardiovascular system and for relieving gastrointestinal discomfort. You should also be aware that this fruit is good for all forms of liver problems. It can also help you get rid of fat from your liver. This fruit can be used to alleviate constipation, minimize acidity in the body, and enhance the functions of the bile in the liver. Tamarind leaves can also be used to treat malaria because they contain a lot of vitamin C, which makes them a good antioxidant. Vitamin C is important for maintaining body functions as well as maintaining healthy gums. It supports children's cardiovascular health and prevents intestinal infections. Tamarind is high in antioxidants such as phenols, narin, and guanine, all of which are beneficial in the fight against cancer. Tamarind has a lot of iron, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, fiber, calcium, and niacin. Preparation. Method 1. Blend 2 handfuls of tamarind, add 1 liter of water and mix well, strain the mixture. Consume this beverage in the morning and before going to bed. Method 2. Wash tamarind leaves and add 1 liter of water, boil for 15 to 20 minutes, leave to cool, add some honey or brown sugar to taste. Drink this tea twice a day, 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for similar videos daily.